This is the wrong way that you use clone for remove the acne. Okay, first you need to unlock the layer here. And next you need to copy the layer. You can press Ctrl J. And the layers I need to. Anywhere I want to use change the name of the layer, you just double click on the layer here like that. And I set number 1. And next you need to double click and set number 2. Okay, ready change name. Next click on the layers number 1 and choose filter. And next choose blur. And after that click on Gaussian blur. Inbox I need 2.0 and after click OK. Next step, you need to click on the layer number 2 here. And after click MX and click Apply MX. And it will show you the small dialog box. In this box you need to choose the layer number 1. And in blending, choose Subtract. In opacity I need 100%. And scale needs 2. And offset I need 128. Finish, click OK. Next, click on this button and choose Linear Light. And next, click on the layer number 1. Right click on Brush and choose Mixer's Brush tool. And then you need to choose this pattern and choose this style. And the color you can format on this face. And then you can use brush to remove the acne from this face. The result, the acne removed from the face. Okay, thank you for your love sharing. See you in the next video.